Hi! Maraming nangangamusta. Mark, kamusta ang nursing? Well, actually, hindi ko alam kasi hindi naman ako nursing. And lalong-lalo na, hindi ako si Mark. Hi, ako si Kobe. At ito ang organization ko.
Go.
Anyway, alam mo ba kung ano ang The Numerates? Siyempre naman, ang The Numerates is an organization of the Department of Mathematics under the College of Science. This organization aims to promote its members' simulations. Hoy, ba't ba kayo nakarang sa daan? Ano ang pinag-uusapan niyo? Ito the organization na tumutulong sa pag-unite ng mga student by conducting seminars or lectures. At sa pag-improve ng communication at social skills at pag-discover ng inner talents ng mga siknayatis. So, kaya nakatingin. Pero alam mo ba, may tama ka. The Numerates also produce more leaders and further enhance their leadership skills. And provides them with more awareness to other mathematics-related skills. Tama! Okay guys, cut! Super perfect, ang galing ninyo. Pero nakalimutan nyo na ang The Numerates ay aligned sa Bachelor of Science in Mathematics program objectives, di ba? True, it equips students with mathematical and critical thinking skills.
Develop a deeper understanding of the importance of mathematics in history and modern world.
Also, it helps students do research or perform jobs that requires analytical thinking skills and quantitative skills.
Help prepare graduates to pursue higher education and work in a variety of different fields.
Ano kasi ang mga fields na yun? Educational field, financial institutions, government agencies, business companies, and many more. Tapos marami pang job opportunities tulad nito.
1, 2, 3. Guys, kamusta yung concept? Ano, tara G?
G!
Guys, dito sa org natin, let's continue to empower,
Solve, succeed. The Numerates! Okay, you ready? Lights, camera,